Hey everybody, I hope you all are doing well. This is Kamran. So once again, welcome to Kami Academy. So in this video, we are going to practice some daily routine sentences. So once again, I request all of you kindly subscribe my YouTube channel as well as my TikTok account. So let's do start. आपका फ़ोन नंबर क्या है? इसके लिए आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं What is your phone number या What's your phone number. क्या आपके बच्चे हैं? Do you have children? Do you have children? आपका ज़रिया माश क्या है? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? आपके मशागिल क्या हैं? What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? आजकल क्या हो रहा है? What's up these days? What's up these days? आप कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? कैसे हैं? How is it going on? या आप कहते हैं क्या चल रहा है? What's going on भी आप कह सकते हैं या What's up? आपकी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? How old are you? आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? आप क्या करते हैं? What do you do? What do you do? क्या आप शादीशुदा हैं? Are you married? Are you married? आपकी फैमिली कैसी है? How is your family? How is your family? आपका काम कैसा चल रहा है? How about your work? How about your work? क्या आपको मेरी मदद की ज़रूरत है? Do you need my help? Do you need my help? आपकी सेहत कैसी है? How is your health? How is your health? क्या तुम जाना चाहते हो? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? क्या वक्त हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? So once again, I request all of you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and do like, comments on my videos. Take care, all the best. Bye bye.